Welcome to the educational world. In this video we will talk about how to solve heating issues of our computer. Go to Settings and click on System. Then go to Power and Sleep option, and then open Additional Power Settings. Now, go to Processor Power Management. With the help of this option, we can reduce the maximum power usage from 100% to 80%. This will help our computer from overheating. This will fix your issue and save your processor's life as well. Now, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Thanks.